In this video, Bitcoin has finally entered the Bitcoin bull market support band. But the question is, what is next and what should we be expecting for the Bitcoin price action? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, we have a very important news na coming ngayon, which is Bitcoin has now started playing bullish following the video na we mentioned yesterday. So, di ba sabi natin kahapon, we have seen a bullish stochastic RSI cross. And then, sabi ko sa inyo na may momentum siya na mag-play out siya ng bullish, and it has to break the 65,000 US dollars. And if mag-break yung 65K, then di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, that will be the next move kay Bitcoin, the bullish move na yan. And take a look at this right now. This is playing out exactly as how we have been predicting yesterday. So, congratulations to everyone who have been patient dito sa move na to. But right now, what is next dito for the Bitcoin price action? So, if you're going to look at the weekly charts, itong weekly chart, you can see na right now, we have entered this bull market support band. And ano ba tong bull market support band? So, if you're going to look back in time, the bull market support band is determined by the 20-week moving average. And this 20-week moving average has been a critical support area for Bitcoin in the past bull market. And as you can see, multiple times sa mga previous bull market, siya yung nag-act as support. And as you can see sa recent na bull market ni Bitcoin, that has acted as a support area dito ni Bitcoin. So right now, you have to watch out for this bull market support band kasi right now you can see na Bitcoin is entering dito sa bull market support band. But the question is, are we now going to get a candle close dito above? So, in order for us to confirm this candle move, it has to close by Monday na above the 20-week moving average. Kasi if mag-close siya dyan above, then, guys, we are now entering into a bull market. However, this is one thing you have to take note. Last time na it did enter the bull market support band, it led into a fake out. So, right now, the next thing that we have to watch out is number 1, a candle close, and number 2, it has to sustain as a support na kay Bitcoin price action. So, that is a very good move na we are currently monitoring dito with the Bitcoin price action. Now, on top of that, the reason that we are seeing this pump is because of this weekly time frame bullish divergence. So, as you can see, the price was declining. Ayan o, price was declining. And then RSI was increasing. And we have been monitoring ito for the past few months already. So, that is a sign of a bullish divergence dito kay Bitcoin. So, right now, this bullish movement is playing out following this weekly time frame bullish divergence. Then, the next thing that I also wanted to mention is this resistance that is forming in the RSI. Kasi as you can see, sa RSI may resistance na nag-form. So, right now, Bitcoin has to break this as well in order for us to see the next long-term bull market dito kay Bitcoin. So that is what we are now expecting dito. After the pump, we expect somewhat of a short-term pullback. Then mag-touch siya sa 20-week moving average. Then from there on, doon natin aalamin kung ano ba yung next move ni Bitcoin. So, yeah, right now, very critical move na ngayon and very exciting news for everyone, especially na we currently have a long-term long position na naka-open. And di ba sabi ko sa inyo dati may long-term long position ako na in-open, and average price niya was at the 68,000 US dollars. Ngayon, it's currently in profit, so I am going to leave my long-term long position open up until mag-play out yung next bull market dito ni Bitcoin. When it comes to short-term trades, I don't recommend opening into any short-term trades for the time being. Kasi right now, this is very volatile na ngayon. I highly suggest na if magkaroon siya ng rebound dito, or if bumalik siya to the 20-week moving average, then doon tayo mag-open ng short-term long position. So but right now, I don't recommend opening a short-term long position because it's very volatile. But yun nga, we still have a long-term long position open, so either way, we are already in profits na dito kay Bitcoin. So yeah, right now, it's looking like that this could be the potential Bitcoin bottom na nga because of this weekly divergence, and this happened also the last time na nangyari kay Bitcoin back in 2023 or 2022. Nangyari noong 2022 na nagkaroon ng Bitcoin bullish divergence, then that signified the Bitcoin bottom. As you can see, this is also the similar area na we are actually seeing dito kay Bitcoin. So ayun, this could tell us na we are now be hinting na tapos na yung Bitcoin bottom and it's time for a bull market. But let's see kung ano mangyayari within the next few weeks at kung ano mangyayari dyan kay Bitcoin price action. One last thing na gusto ko ipakita sa inyo is this 200-week moving average. As you can see, this 200-week moving average has determined the Bitcoin bottom for the past few years already. So right now, as you can see, it has also determined the latest Bitcoin bottom na din ngayon dito. So right now, very good sign na ngayon dito with the Bitcoin price action, and very good sign for a long-term long position. But anyway, I guess that's all the update na mapoprovide natin for now. It's currently playing at the 71,000 US dollars. So pretty much good price na ngayon kay Bitcoin. And if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.